We're going to do some more work with our story, Rabbits and Raindrops. Can you all see Bunny? Today we're going to work with the story, and we're going to talk about some of the words that are in our story. Again, I'm not going to read the story. If you want to hear the story before we do this, go ahead and watch the video and then come back to this video where we talk about the words. So after I read this book to you, I thought there's a lot of big words in this book that we might not know what they mean. So today we're going to talk about some of the words in our story and what those words mean. Let me find them. Oh, yes. When they were hiding under a hedge. This is the hedge. I wonder what the word hedge means. A hedge is when bushes grow very close together and they form a hedge. Let's see if I can find any more big words in our book. Oh, yes. Right. The mommy hopped out into the bright sunlight. What do you think right means? Think about it. Bright means a lot of light coming through. Bright. So the sun is very bright when there are not a lot of clouds in the sky. When there's lots of clouds in the sky, the sun is not so bright. You know this one. Hop. You guys hop in gym class with Mr. Mancini all the time. Hop. That's how rabbits get around. They hop. Oh, this page had so many great, big, giant words. The rabbits nibble the clover blossoms and leaves. Nibble. What do you think nibble means? They're nibbling. What do you think nibble means? Nibble means to take small, tiny bites. Taking small, tiny bites is nibbling. And they were nibbling on clover. Clover's the green. It's very hard to see. Clover is the green part. And then blossoms. This is the blossom. Blossoms is a part of what the flower does, or a flowering part of a plant will blossom. When it opens up, it blossoms. Let's see what more hard words we can find. Suddenly the rain started. What does suddenly mean? Suddenly means very quickly. Very quickly the rain came in. But instead of saying quickly, we can use a very big word like suddenly. Oh yes, this one's a tricky word too. When it rained, the rabbits became soaked. What does it mean to be soaked? Soaked means becoming very, very, very wet. Oh, hurries. The babies hurried when it was wet. Hurry. What does it mean to hurry? You might know this one. To go very quickly. Yes, to go very quickly. Shelter. The rabbits took shelter from the rain. What does shelter mean? Look at the picture. What do you think shelter means? A shelter is something that protects you from the outside. Your house where you live can be considered your shelter. If you were in a tent, that could be your shelter, something that protects you from the outside. Oh, and this one, I think you might know this. The word flutter. The butterfly fluttered into the shelter with the rabbits. Flutter is how the butterflies move. Do their wings flutter? Flutter. I wonder if there's any more big words. I think there's one more big word in this story I wanted to talk to you about. This was when the storm was ending, and the last bit of raindrops splattered down. Splattered. What does the word splatter mean? When the raindrop hits the turtle's shell, it splatters. Is that the splashes of liquid? Yes, splashes. Splatter is splashes of liquid. I think those are all the great big words for our book. They are. And the last page has a picture of, do you remember the word? Clover and a blossom. Great job.